That other side I was showing you was the passenger. This is the driver's side. Doing this for a buddy, helping him out. It's 6:30 at night, trying to wrap this up. And this is the driver's side that's done. Yes, I cleaned my rotor, wiped it clean, both sides, lubricated my guide pins, new hardware. What's cool about doing the brakes on this 2018 Kia Rio, besides having to twist the caliper pin, which is annoying, is that the caliper bolts are 14, and so are the bracket bolts. They're also 14. Got the driver front done. On the driver front, 14 millimeter for the caliber, and then these are 17s for the bracket. Going down with the Duralast Gold. Duralast Gold rotors and pads. Great stuff. Brakes all the way around, and it's also getting an oil change. Plugs right here to those little access ports, 17 millimeter. And then you got your filter up here. And we are going to take our pan. We've already cracked this loose. We should be able to. Sweet. My hands are already dirty anyways, but no mess there. So on this filter here, we take some oil on our finger and we wrap it around this O-ring. Not O-ring, but gasket. Then we also check up here, make sure that it's not double gasketed. Then we can put on our filter hand tight and then a quarter turn.